old national anthem. Was the anthem that
My Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make I sharply yarn una some tori wey be say e just happen. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come out to come talk say to return the old national anthem don dey for im mind since so, and e dey very important. Say na im make am don make sure say im go return the old national anthem. He yarn dis talk during the meeting when he get with the leadership of the Arewa Consultative Forum wey be ACF for inside the presidential villa for Abuja on Thursday, May 30th, 2024. The Nigeria Calabar police officer wey be Okpeto Dolapo Badmus don come out to come yarn today say the wey be say in dey go work or in come pass one private school come dey hear them dey sing the old national anthem wey be Arise O Compatriot. As im come dey talk say im go send Nigerian police to arrest the proprietor and also the teachers dem of the school, and e go charge them to court. Senator Shehu Sani don come talk say all the ogbonge issue wey dey happen for inside Nigeria like economy, insecurity, say na national anthem na im come be our problem now. As im come dey talk say even National Assembly no even follow the proper procedure to bring back the old national anthem. Say because dem suppose consult the general public to know their mind before they go sign am into law.
with all the problems that we have, economy, security, is national anthem our problem? Is it the issue? That's the question we need to ask ourselves. I see this national anthem as a National Assembly anthem because they have not consulted with Nigerians. Whatever law you're going to make, there should be a public hearing.
The Sokoto State Calabar Police Command don arrest 10 people dem wey be say dem dey into human trafficking and child abduction as Nigerian police come even rescue 21 children dem wey be say dem don kidnap, and one of the suspects wey im name be Bala Abubakar of the Tunduwada area of Sokoto State don talk say im don sell over 28 children plus including 6 of im own children dem, and na on Thursday, May 30th, 2024 na im Calabar Police come out come yarn dis story. One man wey enter inside one boutique come pre ten d like say im wan buy cloth, na so im come carry one jeans come wear come test the jean, come wan try come use im own trouser wey im wear take come wan cover the jean. As im come carry face up come see CCTV camera, na so im come jejely come pull off the jean come even put am back for the hanger. The Lagos State Emergency Management Agency don come blame the people that wey say that they live for inside the 4-story building wey fall collapse. So say because they not listen to the warning wey Lagos State government be give them, say make dem comot from the house. And on Thursday, May 30th, 2024, na in this building fall collapse. One doctor don come cry out loud as im yarn say Nigerian army boss enter inside im house to come carry im 15-year-old brother and also im sister comot from house. So say till now say no know where Nigerian army carry them take go, and this gbege happen after wey unknown gunmen dem attack some army officers dem for Obikabia Junction for Aba inside Abia State as dem come fight to Nigerian army. As Nigerian army dem don dey catch everybody wey dey around those area dem.
The arrests have started. They're still arresting people. Anybody say, oh, see my neighbor. Oh my God, my neighbor survived. Thank God.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.